Hello everyone, here is Beibei Zheng from CHINT Global. Welcome to our 2021 Hannover Messe. This season, we adapt ourselves to this challenging time, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. This year is our 25th anniversary with Hannover Messe. Today, I'm so glad to meet all of our old friends and new friends. During the past years, we never stopped moving forward, from equipment supplier to smart solution provider, from infrastructure to energy efficiency management. Hannover has seen our growth. Also, with increasing number of worldwide customers in different industries, CHINT Global has reached diversified segment customers, including Fortune Top, showing our comprehensive capability of solving renewable energy challenges. From last year, the pandemic is speeding up the trend of digital transformation, from home to industry, from building to cloud, and beyond. We have been working hard to help thousands of customers to navigate successful digital transformation. This year, we are coming with smart solutions in building industry, data center, power industry, and renewable energy. And I'm honored inviting you to join us to build a better IoT world with smart power. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you can enjoy Hannover Messe from home. In the end, I would like to appreciate our old friends who sent videos from all over the world and tell me about CHINT in their eyes. Let's hear them together.
Hi, my name is Barış Karaaslan and I am from Diyarbakır, Turkey. I am the CEO of the Fatih Electric and we are established at Diyarbakır, Turkey. Fatih Electric also have sub-company called Üstünsan. At Üstünsan we manufacture electric panels and we usually address the institutions such as House Development Administration of Turkey, Ministry of Health and many more. I met with CHINT 7 years ago at Istanbul Electric Fair. And the main reason I wanted to work with CHINT is the quality of the product. Along with that is the fast variety of the products. The biggest challenge was the name. The companies and the institutions, they were very prejudgmental about the name because it was a new company, no one wants to use it, they didn't know the quality, but we worked very, very hard to change that. Not just us, the CHINT employees and us. Well, the fact is, CHINT is growing very fast in Turkey and all over the world, and I am very proud to be part of that. The pandemic affected my country and my business in a very bad way. The government is doing whatever they can to stop it, but it's getting worse every day. The pandemic affects not just my business, it affects the businesses all over the world, such as transportation, the factories all over the world. Instead of working 100%, now we are working only 20 or 30%. What I would like to say to CHINT is, Turkey is the main gate of the Europe, Asia and the Middle East. They should invest more and more and more to Turkey.
I'm Sami Fais. I'm the CEO of Electrica Elmekin of SA, one of the oldest distributing company of electrical apparatus in Greece, established in 1953. The first time I was introduced to what is known today as CHINT Group was back in 1991 during my first visit in Guangzhou Fair. That was 30 years ago. It was then called Zhengtai, Sino USA joint venture, and it was struggling to stand out among other companies manufacturing the exact same products. Most of them were from Guangzhou. In their stand, I met two exceptional and honest men that were the reason why I chose to cooperate with CHINT against other companies exhibiting similar products there. Mr. Zhu Xinmin and Mr. Jin Xin. Later, in 1993, visiting their factory in Liuzhou, I met Mr. Nanchun Hui. While all others were promising good quality and prices, they offered the honest commitment to learn and improve. And something that was unknown at that time in China, they guaranteed the quality of their products, and as I later found out, that guarantee was fully respected. Today we are distributing exclusively in the Greece market the low voltage range of CHINT. As CHINT name becomes more established, claiming its rightful position against its Western competitors, there are plans to expand our cooperation in the developing and important sectors of transmission distribution, photovoltaics and smart metering. What was, and at a great extent still is, challenging for us is having to prove to our market the fact that CHINT products can stand above any other Chinese competition. We feel optimistic that 2021 will compensate us from a difficult 2020. In 2005, the great Steve Jobs stole a quote from a magazine and made it famous. "Stay hungry and stay foolish," he said. Now I'm borrowing this quote and transfer it to you, my CHINT family. Stay hungry and stay foolish, CHINT team. As the years pass and your roots grow deeper and you become taller, don't lose your youth, your vigor, your stubbornness, your ambition, your talent to surprise and to excel. Traveling with you, CHINT, so far has been an exciting, roller coaster-like experience. I'm looking forward for more and hope that my successors will soon join my trip.
Hello, my name is Svein Tore Mo. I'm the founder and managing director of Seneca AS. The biggest challenge in the beginning was to get the acceptance of a new brand in the Scandinavian market. We had to work a lot with documentation, backup tabular selectivity. But today CHINT has been a well-known brand in Norway, and the situation is totally different than 15 years ago. National organization, they are listening to their customers and the customer demands, and when needed they come up with new solutions. Deliveries from CHINT works 100% fine. We have never any problems with the deliveries, and if we have a smaller failure on products, they always follow up, and together we fix the problem.
Buongiorno, sono Francesco Cozzolino, amministratore della Cozzolino SRL. La società si occupa di commercio materiale elettrico e da qualche anno è inserita anche nel settore termoidraulica. Si trova a Nola, in provincia di Napoli, e opera nella regione Campania con altri 7 punti vendita, oltre questo qua che si trova, come ho detto prima, a Nola.
Come è conosciuto il marchio CHINT?
Il marchio CHINT mi è stato proposto dal loro commerciale di zona, il quale, devo dire, è stato molto zelante nel farmi capire che tipo di azienda era, l'importanza di questa azienda e nel farmi capire le opportunità che questa azienda avrebbe potuto concedere alla mia società.
Perché hai scelto CHINT?
Perché è un'azienda presente sul mercato italiano da un po' e ho riscontrato che poteva darmi delle opportunità.
E da quando è iniziato questo rapporto?
Il rapporto, diciamo, in modo effettivo è partito 2 o 3 anni fa e devo dire anche con notevole soddisfazione per quanto mi riguarda. Parlo di soddisfazioni commerciali.
Nel corso della collaborazione con CHINT, qual è la sfida più grande che ha dovuto affrontare?
Nella nostra collaborazione le sfide noi le affrontiamo tutti i giorni, perché il mercato è chiaramente un mercato competitivo e un mercato difficile, per cui non c'è nessun giorno in cui non dobbiamo fare delle nuove sfide, e devo dire che in questo CHINT mi supporta abbastanza bene.
E alla luce di tutto questo, qual è la sua opinione ora su CHINT?
Ritengo che CHINT sia un grosso produttore di apparecchiature elettriche, ha delle potenzialità che forse noi neanche immaginiamo, delle potenzialità molto forti.
Infine, che cosa desidererebbe dire a CHINT?
Vorrei ringraziarli, come ho detto prima, per le opportunità che ci dà. Voglio salutare la CHINT e la voglio ringraziare e auguro a loro e alla ditta Cozzolino un futuro radioso insieme. Grazie e buona giornata a tutti.
Hi, I'm Beibei Zheng. I'm the Managing Director of the CHINT Europe UK Limited. The company started in the UK in 2004, mainly selling CHINT low voltage products and industry controls. My first formal job was with CHINT in China in 1997, so I knew CHINT very well. CHINT always listens to the market and develops products to suit local requirements quickly and with great after service. We are recovering from the very difficult situation quickly through all the efforts input by our staff. It is a difficult year for everyone in 2020, but we are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm expecting to do more business with CHINT in the future and also wish CHINT a big successful year in 2021. Thank you.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ashraf Afifi, a board member and executive partner in Smart for Electrical Industries. Actually, I would like to talk about CHINT and Smart partnership, and I'm happy to have been offered this chance to talk about it. CHINT is considered one of the famous companies in the field of electrical industries worldwide. And I got to know CHINT during one of my frequent visits in Dubai, and I attended Dubai Fair, and I've been acquainted, during this visit, I've been acquainted with the product itself and the reliability of the product and the strong presence of CHINT in many countries. So it was an intention from our side as partners to have a deal with a strong deal and partnership with CHINT. And ever since that time, we started to negotiate and paid frequent visits to CHINT premises in order to close such a deal. And it was a great success to close it in a good way.
My name is Ikoa Adams. I'm the General Manager for Process and Plant Automation. I got to know CHINT when I started working with Process and Plant Automation. At the time, they were the only company supplying low voltage electrical components to Process and Plant Automation. We have been using CHINT products for about 11 years now. So for CHINT, our product offerings from CHINT ranges from high voltage, solar, low voltage, transmission and distribution products and equipment for the electrical industry, for both utilities, for the domestic market, and then for the mining and oil and gas market. So the biggest challenge we have encountered whilst working with CHINT is the problem whereby we experience counterfeits being produced by other, should I say competitors, or other competitors in Ghana who go to China to buy counterfeit CHINT products. It's actually reduced the brand image of CHINT in Ghana and made it more difficult for us to market CHINT to certain multinational companies. CHINT is a very supportive partner to have. They have supported us through the 11 years, and the support gets better and better. The COVID-19 pandemic affected our business in several ways. For the project side, so our company deals in both retail markets and projects. For the project side, we had certain projects being halted because the projects couldn't continue because of the uncertainty surrounding the pandemic. For the product side, we had issues whereby the industries that used our products were shut down, they were under lockdown, and so there was no manufacturing happening, no maintenance happening, and products couldn't be supplied. There was no demand for the products. In 2020, the biggest challenge our business faced was the COVID-19 pandemic, where there was reduced demand for our products. How did we cope? we realized that it was the food and beverage market that was producing, because people had to eat, pharmacies had to produce medicine and drugs for people who had been affected by COVID-19. In this way, we partnered with majority of the food and beverage and pharmaceutical industry to provide them with spare parts that were unavailable to be shipped from overseas. This enabled us to bridge the gap where the demand was low and get in some business to help us cope and survive this period. Thank you, CHINT, for being a great partner, particularly to Amy and Gary. Your support, is immeasurable. Thank you for all the ideas you keep bringing to us to help us expand the market. Thank you, CHINT. I look forward to a long partnership between the two companies.
Dai Jahal. My name is Rafael Porteiro. I'm the head of a new business development at Sé Energia Brazil. We have been working with CHINT T&D for more than 2 years. Our strategic partnership is focused on developing the South America market for GIS and hybrid GIS equipment. CHINT is an impressive company and has high technology, high quality products, of which of these are the key elements to meet the customer needs with a global standard. The biggest challenge our company faced in 2020 so far was the pandemic of the COVID-19. Brazil is still facing several economic, social and health impacts caused by the pandemics, but we are very confident and we have a lot of hope that this scenario will change for 2021. Finally, we would like to thank CHINT for this opportunity and we look forward to continuing this successful long-term business relationship. Thank you so much.
Hola a todos, soy Carlos Segarra, soy el gerente comercial de la empresa Uyusul Perú y les contaré un poco sobre el inicio de operaciones con la empresa CHINT. La relación comercial con CHINT se inició en septiembre del 2018 y dicho inicio se basó en la sinergia de las fortalezas que tiene cada empresa, ¿no? Por un lado, CHINT, empresa global con presencia en diferentes continentes, y por otro lado, Uyusul, por la presencia, posicionamiento y cobertura que tiene en el mercado peruano, mercado bastante complejo para el ingreso de marcas nuevas. El core business está orientado al desarrollo de soluciones para energía en baja tensión y soluciones fotovoltaicas para los sectores de industria y construcción. Durante los primeros meses de relación comercial, nos dedicamos en conjunto a la introducción de la marca a nivel nacional con soporte técnico y de marketing, apuntando inicialmente a clusters y clientes claves. Este soporte nos ha permitido posicionarnos rápidamente en el mercado y hemos podido desarrollar clientes claves. Del mismo modo, hemos podido aperturar otros mercados nuevos de manera progresiva, como los tableristas, quienes son los especialistas del rubro. Gran parte del crecimiento de la marca ha estado soportada por la cobertura que logramos desarrollar en todo el país, ubicándonos en una posición atractiva dentro del pool de marcas que existen en el mercado con larga trayectoria comercial. A pesar que este año ha sido un año bastante complejo debido a la pandemia y obviamente las ventas de nuestras marcas, incluyendo CHINT, cayeron drásticamente, los últimos meses hemos ido recuperando el terreno perdido de manera significativa, gracias al constante soporte y posicionamiento que tiene la marca. Todo esto pues es el resultado del buen trabajo en conjunto que se ha desarrollado durante todo el 2019 y 2020. Nuestros objetivos para el 2021 son mucho más retadores, pues están orientados a incrementar nuestra cobertura y al desarrollo de nuevos nichos de mercado, clientes especializados, tableristas y desarrollo del sector construcción. Y bueno, en nombre de la empresa Uyusul me queda agradecer a CHINT por todo el soporte técnico comercial y de marketing que siguen brindándonos, esperando que se fortalezca más aún en los próximos años, de tal manera que logremos que CHINT sea la marca preferida y deseada por nuestros clientes. Por último, les deseo a la familia CHINT una feliz Navidad y un próspero año nuevo, esperando que los éxitos continúen. Gracias.
Hello, my name is Rodolfo Lozano. I work for Becquerel Power and my position is Manager in Business Development. We know CHINT for one of the suppliers, or Solar Power Group suppliers equipment CHINT. We picked CHINT because Solar Power Group recommended the brand, especially in the solar inverters for one of our projects. We have been working with the brand CHINT for 2 years around. In one of our projects, we installed or provided the equipment CHINT. Our main area with the CHINT is the solar equipment. We buy to CHINT the inverters for solar projects. Well, we have a very good impression because we have seen it that it's one of the biggest brands in China, and also we have a big catalog in equipment and also in technology. Well, right now in Mexico it's a very big problem because at this moment we are living the strongest of the pandemic, and it's a very good challenge for this year and also for the next year. Well, in all the industries, it's a big challenge to start to return the economic activity. So, well, in every industry, and especially in our industry or in our business focus, it's a good challenge because all the companies at this moment, they are not working at 100%. So we hope that in the new year, slowly we start to recover our economic activity. Well, which one is the biggest challenge for the next year? Well, basically, not only in my industry, in every industry, the biggest challenge is to help the country to restart the economy in order that the customers start to invest in this kind of project, specific in solar projects. I would like to say to CHINT thank you for the attentions and to keep in this way, to be stronger and most in this pandemic, and we hope to the next year will be a better year, and in order to strengthen our relationships.
We were always advised by the utility companies in Cambodia to explore good electrical products for their grid. Fortunately, we found CHINT when CHINT joined an investment of hydro project in Cambodia. We realized CHINT is the most potential partner to work together. With a strong encouragement by our Prime Minister, having EDC as the implement body, we officially start our cooperation in the last few months, in October 29, 2020. We have a great impression about CHINT, especially when we knew that CHINT has a vision to invest more in Cambodia's market. This is not only just to bring the job opportunity, but also provide the capacity building to the young Cambodian people to develop their own country. And this is completely the same as what SNITEC is doing. We believe our cooperation will become successful.
Good morning, I am Girish Rao, Sugi Systems and Controls based out of Bangalore, India. I am the General Manager. We got to know CHINT through one of our friend in China. In 2005, visited CHINT along with one of my biggest India customer. We are so impressed with the facility, the large facility, and the production capacity, the product range, and also the international certification. So then we decided CHINT is our right partner to cooperate, mainly the low voltage switchgear components. We did face a lot of challenges in the last 15 years, but I should thankfully say that with the great support from CHINT team, we are able to successfully face these challenges. CHINT is a great company to work with. The CHINT team, the young, dynamic, professional and dedicated team always supports us to face the challenges successfully. And the activities which they conduct like Global Sales Forum, PM conference, and global summit really helps us as well as our customers, and which instills confidence with the customers. Pandemic is now under control, and the government is trying very hard to bring out the vaccine in next 2 to 3 months time. However, this has badly impacted the whole complete industrial segments. In fact, more than 3 months the factories were closed, and even now some of the factories are working with reduced labor strength. But I should say and put it on record that CHINT, even during all these difficult times, has been extended fantastic support in terms of supply and technical support. Due to that, we are able to achieve a decent sales revenue as of now.